Good morning, friends. Today I will show you how you can add a cover image to your MP3 file. So there are a lot of applications available in the market, but uh, I have taken this MP3 tag application to add image as a cover image to MP3 file. So for example, this is my MP3 file. When I run this with Window Media Player, you can see that this image is added and sound is running at background. Okay, so we can add image as a cover image for any MP3 song. So how can we do that? Let's see. Friends, this is my first video, so I request you please click on like button and also subscribe this channel so that when I will add technical videos, you will get the notification of the same. Okay, so let's start how we can achieve this. First, this is my MP3 tag application. So you can download this MP3 tag application from this site. So these are the steps. First, you need to download this MP3 tag file, then run the exe file. Once you run the file, you need to select the a particular folder. From that particular folder, you need to select a file, add the image as a cover image, and run the application. This is very simple. So first, I will show how we can download the file. Just go to the Google, or you can directly go to the website mp3 tag. When I Google search it, you can find that this first website mp3tag.de. so you can directly click on download link. This is the exe file. You need to download the file and you need to set up the file. Once you set up, you will get one icon on your desktop. So I have done this step, so I'm excluding this step. So I just open this application. This I just like to say one thing, that this application is applicable only for MP3 files. You cannot use it for MP4 files or any other files in different formats. Okay, so here we cannot select also one file directly. You have to select a folder. So I want to add image to this MP3 file. So let's see this MP3 file. Uh, See, this file doesn't have a node cover image. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to add this image to this mp3 file. Okay, so for that I need to select add directory. As I told it, you cannot select a file, you need to select mp3 folder. You need to select a folder only. When I click on folder and when I click on select folder button, I will get this file in right panel. So whatever the files they are present on in that folder, all the files will appear on right panel. So you can add a single file or you can add multiple files over here, and you can add a cover image to those files. So for demo purpose, I have taken only one file. So when you select this file and come to this left panel and right click on this circle, see, you can see that this is the add cover. So if I deselect this file and when I click on this right click on this circle, you can see that add cover is disabled. So for that you have to select this file, or if you have multiple file, you can select the multiple file. Then come to the left panel and select, right click on circle and select add cover. When you select add cover, you will get a panel through which you can select an image. Okay, so let me select the image. It is present on my desktop. So I use this image. Just select the image and click on open. So this image is you can see it's pop up on the left panel. Okay, so my final step is just select this file and click on save tag. When you click on save tag, this image will add to this mp3 file. If you selected a multiple file, for all those files this image will be a cover image for those files. Okay, so this is all how we can add cover image to mp3 file. Now let's see whether it actually added or not. Let me close it, and this is my folder. When I run this file, okay, that's done. So this file image file is added to this mp3 file. Friends, if you like this video, please click on like button, and also I request you please subscribe the channel. This is my first video. Hope you like that. Thank you.